Dear citizen of the world, Muhammad Sal is very happy to share with you these programs from the skies, the scientific programs from the sky. Before all, we greet you all together with shout at the feeling of reticence, and we wish for all citizens of the world, and more particularly the knowledge men and the wise men, to understand these programs from these scientific programs, and we wish you the good understanding. If it play you with the pleasant of God, the energies of the skies. The spirits of the skies are mixed up the divine miracle that favors the good conditions of the sky that keeps the cosmographic dimensions that teaches that the atmospheric energy is under the solar and energetic substantial secretion that agglomerate in the skies. Our multifunctional professions, poets, writer, philosopher, engineer, governor, ruler, verify our multipolar visionary conscience on all the sciences disciplines for demonstrating the laws of the sky. The master of the scientific academician Muhammad Sal demonstrates that the celestial gas, by proliferation, the energetic substances of the origin lights, with sometimes the impact of solar norms switch out tertiation. The energetic and chemical substances of the sky are come from solar energy and from the original substantial lights. Those keep a grandiose impact on the celestial space. The sky is rich on ions, and on nitrogen that agglomerates in the atmosphere and that penetrates the ozone coats for enriching the nature on rare gas indispensable for the conditions of life. The skies are ionised on gas matters of which are propagated on the atmosphere with immunity for stopping all the atmospheric pollutions. The sky secretes the mineral substances, those enrich the nature and the vegetables on vitamins. See our programs on geology and on botany. The solar systems give immunity to the skies, but also it elements the skies on energies of lights with the fast speed on billions kilometers by seconds. The celestial laws are meticulously mixed up the preciosity massive and gaseous elements multi-operational those pass on the atmosphere. It keeps a central position of a transmission of anesthesia and substantial elements under the high solar tensions. The energy of the sky is amplified by the bright solar pressure under the autonomy of unique divinity. We can say the celestial system multi-operational secrets to the areas molecules, the massive volumes of which the impact of the stars forms the networks in the space seas. The chemistry of the sky is rich on hydrocarbide, that marks the origin of all the earthly, liquid, and the aquatic laws. The solar energies breathe those of the skies, and it lightens the darkness sky with immunity. The sky keeps the scientific relation with the atmosphere. The scientific immunity with the atmosphere. The sky keeps the scientific relation with the atmosphere that stars, the moon, and the sun for favoring the good formation of the universe. The celestial substances breathe the atmospheric clouds under the bright pressure of the original lights that proliferates the prolific energy spatial shower tertiation. The multifunctional relations between the atmosphere and the skies are dominated by the friction of the molecules, those generate the special value on gases. The celestial space is bred by the original light that gives to the seven skies immunity and the value of energies with the immense gas masses. The laws. The laws of the sky are on correlation mystically scientific with the energetic substances of the stars and the galaxies. The solar systems keep a grandiose impact on the evolutive of the norms of the skies. The atmospheric energies are infinity of the laws of the sky and the sun that come back up until the origin of the creature. The solar system generates the atmospheric humidity and the value of the sky on gaseous elements and on substantial energies on massive gas, those keep a grandiose impact on the energetic proliferation. The celestial lights, the celestial lights are bred by the lively disk without exaggeration. The gases of the skies are mixed up the water vapors and the mineral substances on high dimensions under the bright atmospheric pressure with the impact of the energy of the sun. Our right and logic cosmographic programs demonstrate that the skies secrete the chemical substances and energetic that transforms on atmospheric gas. The laws of the sky generate the productions of a strength extension of the star aerial molecules with the impact of the sun and the stars prolific the spatial networks. And then the strength of molecular attraction is in the spatial network is under the bright pressure of the celestial substances and the solar energies. The system of secretion of the gas by the high skies favors the good conditions of the universe formation. The bifunctional scientific relation with protagonist elements of the system of the universe formation allows identifying on cosmographic theories the structures of the sky. The proliferation systems of the celestial gas are strengthened by the energy of the sun that does the combination with the original substantial lights for breeding the energetic systems. Thank you very much, dear citizens of the world. That's what we wanted to explain this day. Thank you and see you in the next video, in the next time, inshallah, if it pray God. Thank you very much.